Hey guys, this is Jawan Bentley with the New England Patriots, and first and foremost, I would like to thank, acknowledge, and appreciate all of the frontline workers at Mass General Hospital, all the doctors, nurses, first responders, supporting staff, everybody who's helping us fight against this COVID-19. Nothing you ever do is ever taken for granted, and everything you do is making a difference. So I personally appreciate you. Massachusetts has been hit hard, obviously, by this COVID-19 pandemic. Healthcare workers are on the front lines working around the clock helping to treat as well as prevent the spread of this coronavirus. And listen, Beasley Media Group is a proud partner with Mass General Hospital in order to create Healthcare Heroes. Now, Healthcare Heroes is a program to support the hospital's emergency response fund to provide healthcare workers with what they need, like medical supplies, transportation, dependent care, temporary housing, meals, and so much more.